What's up guys, Dr. Joel Lardi here at Lardi Complete Chiropractic. If you're looking for the ystrap doctor in the Chicagoland area with great hands-on chiropractic adjusting, you've come to the right place. We would really love to be able to help you next. But right now, we got another one. Let's go. Oh my God. All right, Dr. Joel Lardi here at Lardi Complete Chiropractic. We have Marissa here. They actually have a gym in Orland here. They do athlete performance. If you want to kind of talk about that a little bit.
Yeah. So my husband and I, Ronnie, we run Batti Performance out in Orland Park. We are a sports training facility. We deal with very young athletes to even adult fitness and just strengthening them up and getting them to perform better in their sport or just perform better in their daily routine.
Peak performance.
Peak performance.
And you guys are, what's it called?
Batti Performance.
Batti Performance. So
yes.
Go ahead and I'll put the link into their stuff down below. So, but she's here, just get a little tune up. Nothing really going on, but we want to make sure she's in tip-top shape to train her athletes. So, we'll get you to go face down. Everything is clean, so, and sanitized.
Okay.
So we should start with heat, just to loosen up everything. Loosen up the muscles, get a better adjustment.
Okay.
So let me know if you have any pain or anything.
Will do.
Poking around.
Okay.
When's the last time you've been adjusted? You said it was a long time ago.
Like high school, if you count our athletic trainers at school, but not for a while.
Okay. So feel a little just bit of pressure.
Okay.
Let your arms just hang to the ground actually with this one. Yep. Okay. Flip your hair this way. Okay. So what you're going to do is lift up onto your chin. And then relax right onto your chin. Perfect. Good. Let that shoulder just relax. Good. Woo! Yep, so we'll do the same thing with this one.
Okay.
Let that relax. Good. Awesome. Alright, we'll get you to flip on your back. We'll check out your neck. Dreadful. No pain, neck pain or anything?
No.
Just residual. Any headaches or anything?
I get them from like time to time and mostly on like this side.
Okay.
And I usually find that like my neck is super tight.
Okay. But nothing crazy?
Yeah, nothing.
Okay.
I can't manage.
Not so good that way.
Mm-mm.
Ooh, a little bit more. Okay. You relax really well.
Okay.
Most people don't. Oh, a little clunky there. That side wasn't bad. It's this.
It's like that side might fight you.
With the right one?
Yeah.
That's why your rotation wasn't good this way.
Mm-hmm.
So all the rotation mostly comes from these upper two,
Mm-hmm.
or C2 basically. There.
Gotcha.
That one's not terrible. Good. Handle that okay?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. We're we're gonna go on that table over there to do your low back.
Okay.
So you go on your side.
Okay. This side or other way?
Yep, you're perfect.
Okay.
Bottom one's gonna stay straight and this one's gonna bend up. And you're gonna pull this through like that. Perfect. Alright, so we're gonna do a kind of like a little twisty motion.
Okay. This is where it might suck.
Wow, let's just relax, let it relax. I know it's kind of far. You had a right short, so left is yes. There it already went. Did you feel
Yep.
it? Just had to put a little pressure on it. Let me go a little bit more. Okay, good. Good. Alright, cool. And then we'll get the other hip. So with that right short, that right side is dropped back and down.
Okay.
And the other one flipped up and forward.
Gotcha.
So that's what we just did with that one. Now we'll fix the down and back one. One extension.
Oh,
Move the pillow forward.
sorry.
I haven't dropped anyone yet, so you're good. No one will fall off here. The same thing. Look at that. Just needs to be loosened up. There was the rest of it. Woo! Good. That was a lot.
That
Go ahead and
was.
sit up. Go ahead and sit up. So I'll check to see if you got any anterior real quick. Lay flat on your back. Head down there, sorry. Okay, and you're gonna cross your arms over. Actually flip them one more. There you go, perfect. Lay this way. Okay, you're gonna lift your chin like you're gonna do a sit up. So lift your chin to your chest. Okay. Alright, that's it with that.
Cool.
Thumb here, face up.
Okay.
So we're gonna get your hips
Okay.
and your ankles, okay? So yeah, let your leg just relax perfectly like that. Any ankle injuries or anything in the past?
No.
This one tends to hang out over there. Good. Try not to pull you off the table. Good. Those are actually released easy. Get these ankles to release though. Not terrible. Arches are good. Tend to hold up. Good. Yeah, your hips were, or your SIs were terrible. Let it relax, let it relax. I know it's counterintuitive. Alright, go ahead and put your shoes back on.
I knew that coming in here, like someone's gonna be way off with me. I
How's that? How do you feel?
feel pretty good. Definitely a lot like looser
Good.
than when I first walked in here.
Awesome. Go ahead and rotate. I want to check your cervical rotation really quick. Okay, so, okay, pretty even now. Okay. Stand up straight. Get these shoulders back. You got a foam roller? You guys foam roll?
We do. We
Okay.
try to at least.
Yeah, that's one thing that'd be really, really beneficial for you. Okay, good. Alright. Alright, come over here. Alright, just go and lift your head up. Pull your hair through. All that hair.
I'm sorry.
Okay, let your head down. Oh, that's good. My wife would be so jealous. She's gonna be mad that I said that on camera.
I'm sorry.
Hopefully she doesn't watch this one. Alright, so we'll do a little traction. Just breathe normally, okay?
Mhm.
Traction. Okay, good. Just keep breathing. Lay there for a second. How was that?
That felt good. Felt like something I needed for like a long time.
Just a little decompression.
Yeah.
Especially you guys that are busting out weights all the time.
Yeah.
So. Alright, you're good to get up.
Cool.
Alright. That's it.
Awesome.
Upper neck. on that right side was bad, and then your SIs definitely need some work. So.
Oh. I knew something was off.
I knew that. Hey guys, if you liked this video, go ahead and smash that like button for us, okay? And if you want to keep up with all the content we're putting out, we're putting out 1 to 2 videos a week showing what the Lardi Complete Chiropractic experience is like. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button as well, okay? You'll be able to see how we use the ystrap and good hands-on chiropractic care to get you to where you need to be, okay? Find you relief with that Lardi Complete Chiropractic experience.